How you guys doing? My name is Randy Hawkins. I'm the team manager here at the Ampro Yamaha. You know, our team is solid this year with Paul and Jordan and also Jesse. And we added Walker Fowler as our quad effort. So, you know, we're really excited about how things are coming together. These guys have worked really hard this year. The first round, you can see there's a lot of excitement around everybody, and everybody's pumped to make things happen. And as always, you know, our sponsors have been with us. A lot of sponsors have been with us for a lot of years. And then we actually had some new sponsors to get on board. But, you know, it takes a whole group and effort to put this whole program to get here and get to the races. You know, and I'm always excited to have the opportunity to have safety equipment with my guys. And you know what? That's a big part of LIT with our team. That's our whole program. Is all our riders are on the LIT program, and not just from the safety factor of the brace. You know what? We add the system to keep the guys hydrated, and I don't think there's a better one out on the market with the integration with their hydration system from the backpack or the one that goes on the lid. You know, all the products they bring to the table is great, and we're just stoked to have the guys part of our program, and hope to bring the #1 plate back to them. You know, another thing that came to our program was kind of a last minute, but we were excited about was Jessica coming to the team. You know, she's a national motocross champion from the women's side of it, and you know, I didn't know Jessica that well, and you know, she's come and spent a week with us, and just her ability to ride a motorcycle is phenomenal. And you know, again, you know, on our side as Ampro Yamaha, not just fielding the team as in the front two rows. With Walker Fowler on the quad side of it, you know, Jessica's in our program now, so we're actually quite depth in the whole series with that. But I think Jessica is going to bring a different, I don't say idea to the off-road side of it, but hopefully she's going to take what we do in off-road back to moto and kind of help bridge a gap, because I think there's a little bit of gap between what moto guys think versus some of the off-road riders. So. And here again, she's on the lid equipment, braces, and I went through her because she was really unsure about the being hydrated. And here again, I said there's no other product out there any better than the hydration SIP that LIT has. And no, we're excited with her. We're going to work with her. This is our first round, so we're going to be really kind of keeping her posted on what she needs to be doing. But you know, here again, we're excited for her to be on a team and kind of bridge that gap between the off-road guys and the moto. And then, you know, who knows, she may bring more of the moto guys this way. You know, here in off-road, you know, compared to a motocross, you know, motocross a lot of times you got 2 30-minute motos, or a supercross you got 1 moto, so you have time to kind of, you know, fix some issues if you have. You know, for us, we're pretty much a minimum of 3-hour event. So not just from the fact of, you know, we look at equipment that's on our bike is durable, but, you know, it's got to be able to last that 3 hours. I mean, from the, you know, the chain, sprockets, you know, the brake pads. And Yamaha has a great base body, what we call a base unit to start with. I mean, their reliability is phenomenal, and you know, from failures and stuff like that. Yeah, you have mechanical moving parts. You know, there's sometimes things are out of your control, but here again, for what Yamaha brings to the table for us, we're tickled to death. And same thing with all those sponsors on board. You know, the guys from Factory Connection. You know, the tire balls. I mean, you know, DID, GYTR. Sprockets and stuff, and Pro Taper, all these things are, you know, we can't do what we can if it's not for our sponsors. And here again, like I keep saying, with, you know, we look at the motorcycles, but even with the riders themselves, you know, we're with MSR. We've been with MSR. I've been with MSR since '92. They're a high quality apparel company that is, you know, you see them in a motorcycle realm with Kevin Windham and those guys. But, you know, I can't have my guy out there and an hour in the race, his pants start coming apart, you know. So, you know, again, we're really dedicated to having the sponsors that with us for the long run from a sponsorship, but it's also a product line that can stand with us. And, you know, and LIT's been kind of new for us. I think we're in our 3rd year with them, and I can say we've had no failures with any of their products we've used. I mean, even, you know, sometimes you have a problem with the bladder in the hydration system. We've yet to bust a bladder in the hydration. So here again, not just motorcycle side, bike side, the LIT side, everything we do on our side, it's a longevity idea, and I am just so fortunate that to have these companies involved with our race team.